Hello dear students, how are you all? So the topic that we have taken today is use of do and does. Do and does are used when we want to ask yes or no questions. We use do and does depending on the subject. Does she like chocolate? Yes, she does. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. Now children, let's see why we have used does here and do here. We use do when the subject is I, you, we and they. Whereas we use does with third person singular pronouns, that is when the subject is he, she, it. Let me make you more clear with few examples. Here are a few questions and we have to complete these by using do and does. Dash I know you. Do will come or does will come? Do will come, children, because we have seen that with I we use do. Do I know you? The second one, dash you come from Pune. So now which one will go, do or does? Does you come from Pune or do you come from Pune? Yes, you're right. Do you come from Pune? Dash he work with you? Does he work with you? Do we have to work today? We use do with we. Dash she have a bag? Does she have a bag? And this one, dash they want to play with us? Do will come here. Dash it work? Does it work? Now let me take few more sentences. The question is, complete these questions with do or does. Children, try to watch this video till end. Then only you will be able to clear your doubts. Alright? So the first one is, where dash she work? Now what will come here? Do or does? Children, we have seen that with she we use does. Right? So where does she work? Now this one, children, how dash you spell your name? With you we use do. Now it is, how do you spell your name? This one, what dash penguins eat? With third person singular we use does, but this is plural. With third person plural numbers we always use do. Okay children? So what do penguins eat? Okay? If it is singular third person, we always use does. Now children, you'll tell me which photo dash you prefer. With you, what do we use? We use do. Okay? When dash she finish school? When dash, what will come here? Does. When does she finish school? Now here, when dash you play on your computer? When do, because here you is written. So when do you play on your computer? The same, what do you do in your free time? Now here he is written, what dash he do in his free time? So with he we use does. What does he do in his free time? So children, this is all for today. I hope you must have understood how and where do we use do and does. Don't forget to watch my next video where I'm gonna discuss use of don't and doesn't. So children, see you in the next video. Till then, keep studying. God bless you. Bye.